how to buy troll coin token. So this token came under the symbol of troll. Now before we start, this is not financial advice, I'm not professional or economic expert, so before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. And also there is a referral goes down description. You can get free money rewards on crypto with the best referral code, simply goes below. Find your account and join the benefits, check them out in the description. Now, as you can see, before going on about this token, go and engage with their community on X. As you can see, they have a big community. It's about 502 members there. So this token, as you can see, it's available on the screener. It's created 11 hours ago and increased by 8,000% in the last 24 hours. And also, this token is trending #1 in this token section. Now, to be able to buy this token, just click here to copy the token address and open your fund to wallet for that. And as you can see here, I will just copy it to my wallet first. So now click on stop and make sure that you have enough Solana on your wallet. Now click here and paste token address in the search bar. Now as you can see, this also now click on it and click on I understand. Now here you can type how much you want to buy, as you can see, and this is how much you will be able to receive that token. After that, click on provider and select the Jupiter. After that, click on stop and you will be able to redirect you to Jupiter provider page to complete the buy process. So this is how to buy troll token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.